The transmission is a critical part of a car's drivetrain. It converts the engine's power into motion that propels the wheels. There are two main types of transmissions, manual and automatic. Manual transmissions rely on a clutch pedal and gear shifter. Let's explore the inner workings with detailed diagrams and animations. Automatic transmissions shift gears automatically based on speed and load. They use planetary gear sets, torque converters, and hydraulic fluid. Proper maintenance and fluid changes ensure optimal transmission performance. We'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each transmission type. We'll also explore the future of transmission technology and advancements. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of transmissions. Get ready to shift your knowledge into high gear.